Hi guys, it's Kai here. Welcome back for another match betting video. Today's just going to be a very quick one to go through what I think are the two worst things about match betting. Now before we get started, if you want to learn more about match betting and gain access to a free trial where you can make up to £45, click the link in the description below. Okay, so the first point is that match betting is notoriously over-reliant on offers given out by bookies. Now match betting isn't a get-rich-quick scheme and it's not going to make you £1 million because you are reliant on the offers that the bookies give out to make profits, and to be quite frank, there aren't enough offers available to match bettors in order to make £1 million. Now the type, the quality and the quantity of offers can vary drastically from week to week and from year to year. So it's quite inconsistent in that way, so you might earn, I don't know, say £500 one month, the next month you might earn £800 and then the following month only £200. So it's very inconsistent in that way because you are reliant on the type of offers that are available to you. So you can't just say, okay, I want to make £500 every month for the next year. You just cannot guarantee that that's going to happen due to this over-reliance. Now the type of offers, the quality and quantity again have drastically nosedived in recent years, so that they're not as good anymore, but this is still a great way to make £500 to £1,000 per month on average. If you do put in enough time and enough effort, so it's still a great way to kind of supplement your income. Okay, issue number 2 is something that we call Gubbings. Now this is basically just lingo within the match betting world for when a bookie removes or blocks your account from having access to their offers. Now this can happen for a variety of reasons, but ultimately it just means that your account has been flagged on their system as being non-profitable. Therefore they take away the valuable offers from your account. Bookies are well within their rights to do this because at the end of the day they are businesses and are there to make a profit. So therefore if your account is flagged as making them a loss, they're just not going to give you these valuable offers. So the less bookies available to us, it means the less offers available to us, and therefore the less profits that we're going to make because of our over-reliance on offers as we just discussed. So unfortunately, Gubbings is part and parcel with match betting, and as a result it's a short-term game, and this is all down to the value that you take from the bookie, and which leads to a gubbing. Don't worry too much though, I've been doing this for almost 5 years now, and I've been gubbed all over the place. I don't have many accounts left, but I'm still making a couple of £100 a month, and it's meant I've made over 30k in total from match betting. So it's still very valuable, and I wouldn't let Gubbings put you off, and it's still a great way to supplement your income on the side. There are some methods that people use to avoid gubbings, but it's not an exact science. So bookies gub for different reasons, so they have different criteria, and some gub faster than the others. So it's very hard and difficult to avoid this if you don't exactly know the criteria that you're trying to avoid. But if it does happen, don't stress too much, as I say, and there's still other ways to make money after a gubbing, which I will go through in a different video. So despite these two issues with match betting, I'm still a firm believer that this is the best way to make a nice chunk of money online without having to start your own business. And I know it's not going to last forever, but it's just a great way to kind of get ahead in life. So for me personally, it allowed me to buy my first house at the age of 22. It's also tax-free as well, so any profits that you do make are yours to keep, and there's no need to kind of fill in a tax return every year. Now the last point that I will make is that as I said before, the kind of offers, their types and the quality of them are getting worse year on year. So I recommend getting started as soon as possible to kind of capitalise on this opportunity whilst it is still lucrative. Now if you check out the link in the description below, you can get a trial to Profit Accumulator, who post every offer that are available to match bettors, along with instructions on how to complete them. The trial will give you access to 2 of these offers where you can make up to £45. And then after that you do have to pay for a monthly subscription or a yearly if you decide to do that. But you're going to have access to all of these offers, and it means that you don't have to go out and find them yourself or even work out how to do them, which sometimes can be quite tricky. So it's just going to save you a load of time if you do sign up to them, so I fully recommend it. I'm a customer of them myself. So that's it for today guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions feel free to pop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. So thank you for watching.